Hello everyone, Pax man di kita mubiyaan kay mabiyaan di gid malami and today's vlog of course guys. So, welcome to this beautiful place. Now, hindi kayo i-replace. So, again, I'm your nurse na gagawin kayong first. So, take note guys, paracetamol para sa sakit ng ulo na lalo na ngayong araw mga puso. My God, again, hindi kanya gusto para sa mga may sakit ang katawan kasi iniwan, charot. Yung akala mo kayo, charot. Bitaw, para. So, ibig sabihin niyan para sa lagnat. Pag lagnat, every Q4 para sa katawan. So, Q6 usually. So, always remember, dear nurses, ha? So, don't forget, paracetamol. So, this is paracetamol. So, again, paracetamol is the generic. And the brand of this is Biogesic. Biogesic, kaya nakaka-addict, charot. So, pag masakit ang ulo, guys, this is the safest one. So, dapat meron tayo sa ating mga bag nito. So, let's have a quick tour dito sa ating room. So, ayun guys. So, hi everyone. So, as of today, I want you to know na another Rimowa and Samsonite. Huy, as in, I like the view na. I love you din lahat. Ipakita di ang view. So, hi to Rimowa. And again, I am your nurse na gagawin kayong first. And today is Thursday. Dapat happy. And tomorrow is Friday the 13th. Dapat magpabili. Hindi na itong pasyente our number one priority. Bye for now. See you later, alligator.